Durga Puja is a major festival of Hinduism held for 10 days in the month of Ashwana, the seventh month of the Hindu calendar. It celebrates the victory of goddess Durga over the demon king Mahisasura. The celebration ends with Vijayadashmi. Goddess Durga symbolizes the divine forces that is used against the negative forces of evil. Some important days of this festival are: first day is when festival begins, that is Mahalya. Sixth day, which is Shashti, it signifies her arrival along with her children, namely Lakshmi, Saraswati, Ganesh, and Kartik, on earth after her long journey from Kailash, her abode in heaven. Saptami, Ashtami, and Navami, 7th, 8th, and 9th days are most significant days of the festival. Goddess is worshipped by observing various rituals, recitations of the scriptures. 10th day is Dashmi, the last day of the festival, when Goddess Durga is believed to start her return journey. Thank you everyone. Wishing everyone a very happy Durga Puja and Mahalya.
Their household places idols in their courtyards of the Haveli for people to come and pray to the goddess Durga. Durga, which in Sanskrit means a fort, which symbolizes the fact that Durga Puja is epitome of strength and Ma Durga is the epitome of womanhood. Over the years, Durga Puja has become an inseparable part of Indian culture, with innumerable people celebrating this festival in their own unique way while pertaining to tradition. Wishing you all a very happy Mahalaya and further ahead a very happy Durga Puja. Thank you.
It is believed that on Mahalaya, goddess Durga begins her journey from Mount Kailash, where she resides with her husband Lord Shiva, to her maternal home on earth. It marks the beginning of Devi Paksha. It is believed goddess Durga undertakes this week-long journey with her children Ganesh, Kartik, Lakshmi, and Saraswati on a vehicle of her choice. It can be a boat, an elephant, or a horse. It reminds the power of truth, and in the end, good will always win over evil. Asuras at one time became ever powerful, so Lord Shiva gave them a boon that only a woman could kill them. Asuras considered women weak and thought, when women are scared to even be spotted by them, how will they dare to fight them? Lord Shiva requested his wife, Lord Parvati, who is also known as Shakti, as she is the power that runs the universe. Since Asuras never harmed Parvati directly, she chose to give them a chance and went to meet them in her vehicle. The Asura king fell in love for Parvati the first time he saw her, and he sent his minions with a marriage proposal. Parvati declined the proposal, saying that she is already married to Lord Shiva. The king insulted Shiva and dared to say that Parvati deserved better. Parvati said no to the proposal and they tried to force her. Parvati took the form of goddess Durga and slayed all the Asuras on the day of Mahalya. In the wee hours of the morning of Mahalya, Bengalis visit the ghats of Ganga or other rivers to pray to the ancestral to bless their kin. Tarpan should be performed at the riverside. One should stand in the river so that the water level touches the belly bottom, or one should perform tarpans by sitting on the banks of the river. The ritual is performed by facing east, and that for deceased ancestors' soul it should be performed by facing south. One offers water, milk, and black semen seeds. Semen seeds particularly constitute the food of the Pitras.
ওগো আমার আগমন জালো প্রদীপ জালো জালো ওগো আমার আগমনী আলো এই শরতের ঝঞ্ঝাবাতে নিশার শেষে রুদ্র ভাতে এই শরতের ঝঞ্ঝাবাতে নিশার শেষে রুদ্র ভাতে নির্মল আমার পথের বাতি নিভল প্রাণের আলো ওগো আমার আগমনী
देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. Good morning to one and all present here, celebrating the auspicious occasion of Mahalaya and Durga Puja. We start our day with this beautiful mantra, which outlines the omnipresent nature of Goddess Durga. Chanting this mantra can help one's inner power to deal with any sort of situation in life. It also encourages the development of just positive thought in one's mind. To start with, let's understand what actually Mahalaya is. According to Hindu lunar calendar, Mahalaya marks the last day of Pitra Paksha in the month of Ashwin, the fourth night of the fourth fathers, a 16-day period when Hindus pay homage to ancestors. It is believed Goddess Durga comes to earth, her parental home, on this day. The month of Sharad begins the next day, along with Devi Paksha, her holding the 10 days Sharad Utsav. This year, Mahalaya is on 6th October and Durga Puja will be celebrated from October 11th to 15th. It is celebrated all over the world, but it is the main festival of Karnataka, Tripura, Odisha and West Bengal. Moving to the mythological belief, Asuras at one time became very powerful. blessed by the gods and Lord Shiva, giving them a boon that only a woman could kill them. Asuras went on a rampage. Asuras considered women weak and thought that when women are scared to be even spotted by them, how would they even dare to fight with them? Lord Shiva, the destroyer, was approached by the gods as they felt threatened by the rise of Asuras. Shiva knew what exactly had to be done. He requested his wife goddess Parvati, who is also known as Shakti because she is the power that runs the universe, to incarnate as goddess Durga and handle the situation. Parvati, needless to say, the ultimate destroyer, was also fair. Since Asuras never did any harm to her directly, she chose to give them a chance. Riding a vehicle, a lion, Parvati went to meet the Asuras. The Asura king fell for Parvati the first time he saw her and went his minds to her with the marriage proposals. Parvati declined the proposal, saying that she is already married to Lord Shiva. The king, high on arrogance and power, insulted Lord Shiva, saying he is the hermit living under the open sky and dared to say that Parvati deserved better. The king had also instructed his men to forcefully take Parvati to him in case she still said no to his proposal. She did say no, and they tried to force her, inviting their annihilation. Parvati took the form of goddess Durga and slayed all the Asuras on the day of Mahalaya. Okay, so now heading towards what Durga Puja is, the first thing that comes to our mind is this yet another beautiful mantra. Sarvamangal Mangalye Shiva Sarvadi Sadhike Sharanye Trambike Gauri Narayani Namastute. It is a very important Durga mantra enchanted during almost all Durga Pujas. This mantra is in the praise of Goddess Durga. It says that Goddess Durga is the most auspicious one and she bestows upon the world her blessings. She is the mother of the three worlds and protects us all. She is Gauri, the daughter of the mountain king, and we bow in front of her. Chanting this mantra regularly makes one wise and gives strength. Starting with the festive of full fervor and enthusiasm in India, Navratri begins on 7th October this year and will end on 15th October. Durga Utsav is a 10-day festival, of which the last 5 are of great significance. 11th October is the Mahashashti, followed by Mahasaptami on 12th October, Mahaashtami on 13th, Mahanavami on 14th, and Vijayadashmi on 15th. The goddess known to Hindu as the destroyer of the evil is characterized by her 10 arms carrying various lethal weapons, as well as her vehicle, the lion. Ma Durga is known as Bhavani, Amba, Chandika, Gauri, Parvati, Mahishasur Mardini and in many other forms. As said, Goddess Durga is the creation of three most powerful devas in the Hindu pantheon: Brahma, the creator, Vishnu, the preserver, and Shiva, the destroyer. In literature, from around the 16th century, we find the first mentions of grand celebration of Durga Puja by zamindars in West Bengal. Different scripts say different rajas and zamindars celebrated and financed the Durga Puja for the whole village. The Bondhu Bari Puja in the house of zamindars, still remain a custom in Bengal. The bigger household places
या चण्डी मधुकैटभाति दैत्यदलनी या सिद्धिलक्ष्मीश्वरा या देवी नवकोटिमूर्तिसहिता तु विशेश्वरी पातु विशेश्वरी पातु विशेश्वरी
रथे तनुजनि रोषिणि तिथिसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते अय जगदम्ब मदम्ब कदम्ब वना प्रियवासिनि हासरथे शिखर शिरोमणि तुंग हिमालय शृंग जलालय मध्यगते मधु मधुरे मधु कैटव गंजिनि कैटव भंजिनि रासरथे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते शतखंड विखंडित रुंड वितुंडित रुंड गजाधिपते रिपु गजदंड विधारण चंद पराक्रम सुंद पदाधिपते निज भुज दंड निपातित खंड विपातित मुंड पदाधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐरन दुर्मद शत्रुवधोदित दुर्धर निर्जर शक्ति ब्रुते चतुर विचार धुरी न महाशिव दूत कृथा प्रमथाधिपते दुरित दुरीह दुराशय दुर्मतिदानवधूत कृतांत मते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
Everyone, I'm Kritika Sandik from class 11C. I'm here to sing a song based on Mahalaya. फिक्र करा फिक्र करा फिक्र करा फिक्र करा मैया जी घर आई तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा खुशियाँ है घर आई तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा मन मेहर है बरसाई तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा मैया जी घर आई तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा करा सुख की घड़ियाँ आई तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा खुशियाँ है घर आई तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा मिट गम की परछाई तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा खुशियाँ है घर आई तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा ओम दुर्गाय नमो नमः ओम दुर्गाय नमो नमः ओम दुर्गाय नमो नमः ओम दुर्गाय नमो नमः मैया ने रखा मान तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा, तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा। जग से मेरा सम्मान, तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा, तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा। मुझे मिला है मुक्ति ज्ञान, तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा, तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा। होया मेरा कल्याण, तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा, तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा। खुशियाँ है घर आई, तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा, तो क्यों मैं फिक्र करा।
Mahala is said to be the day when goddess Durga defeated the demon Mahishasura. This day signifies the end of Pitru Paksh Shraddh and the beginning of Durga Puja. The festive season is just around the corner. Bengalis celebrate Durga Puja with immense fervor and remark intermittently about the festive autumn weather and the Puja feel. It is believed that goddess Durga undertakes this long-way journey with her children Ganesh, Kartik, Saraswati and Lakshmi in a vehicle of her choice. It could be a boat, a horse or an elephant. Mahalaya is celebrated roughly 7 days before Durga Puja. Every Bengali household wakes up early in the morning, even before the sun, to customarily listen to the collection of songs and mantras called Mahishasura Mardini in the synonymous voice of Virendra Krishna Bhadra. Lastly, I would like to wish everyone a very happy Mahalaya and Durga Puja in advance. Thank you.
সাজালো বরণডালা আকাশে মেঘের ভেলা চলছে ধুনু ঝিনাচ
আসলার ঘন্টা বাজে এলো মা নতুন সাজে
আকাশে পুজোর গন্ধ সাজালো বরণডালা আকাশে মেঘের ভেলা চলছে ধুনু ঝিনাচ
আসলার ঘন্টা বাজে এলো মা নতুন সাজে
আকাশে পুজোর গন্ধ